Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2026, this is becoming real because of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a technology anymore, it is becoming a complete money-making system. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools that beginners are using right now to build income online. And I will also explain how you can actually use them step by step, even if you have zero experience. So make sure you watch till the end. First is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It can write scripts, blogs, emails, business ideas, and even ebooks in seconds. Now, here is how people are making money with it. They use ChatGPT to offer freelancing services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. For example, you can write YouTube scripts for creators. You can write blog articles for websites. You can even create ebooks and sell them online. Many beginners are already earning $5 to $50 per small task using ChatGPT alone. The key is not the tool, the key is how you use it. Second is Canva AI. Canva is a design platform that now includes powerful AI features. With Canva, you can create YouTube thumbnails, logos, social media posts, and business presentations. Even if you are not a designer, Canva makes everything very easy. Now, how do you make money? You can offer thumbnail design services for YouTubers. You can also design posts for small businesses and charge monthly fees. Some freelancers are making $300 to $1,000 per month just using Canva. Third is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI voice generator that creates very natural, human-like voices. This is very powerful for YouTube automation channels, because many creators don't want to show their face or use their real voice, so they use AI voiceovers instead. You can also sell voiceover services or create full YouTube videos for clients. This is becoming a high-demand skill right now. Fourth is Pictory. Pictory is an AI video creation tool. It can turn simple text into full videos automatically. This is very useful for people who want to start YouTube channels without showing their face. You just write a script and Pictory will create scenes, visuals, and video automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to start a faceless YouTube channel. Fifth is Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generation tool. It can create highly realistic and artistic images just from text prompts. People are using Midjourney to sell digital art, create book covers, and design marketing visuals. Some artists are earning money by selling AI-generated images online. Sixth is Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI writing assistant focused on marketing content. It helps you write ads, product descriptions, and social media captions. Businesses always need marketing content, so you can use Copy.ai to provide writing services and earn money online. Seventh is Runway ML. Runway ML is an advanced AI video editing tool. It allows you to remove backgrounds from videos, generate video clips using AI, and edit professional-level content easily. This tool is used by video editors and content creators. If you learn Runway ML properly, you can offer video editing services and earn a good income. Now, let's understand something important. All these tools are powerful, but they don't make money automatically. You make money when you combine skill, consistency, and action. Most people fail because they stop too early. But the people who stay consistent, they start earning real income within a few months. So, here is your action step. Pick just one tool from this list, learn it for a few days, and start offering a small service online. That is how beginners are starting their journey in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI and online earning content.